Okay, I have for you today a Mul-T-Lock. I've seen them on eBay. They were a little bit pricey for what I thought they were, but I found one on auction that was less than half of the price they were usually going for, and I was the only one who bid on it. So now I have one. It came with this very official looking Mul-T-Lock packing tape on it, so I guess that's something. Anyway, not that they're trying to copy Mul-T-Lock, but gosh, this sure seems like looks like a Mul-T-Lock, right? I have one similar to this, so when we go to gut this, I have some concerns that it's going to be that style that's really awful to put back together. So we'll see how far we get with that. But first, we have to pick it. Okay, this little shutter here. That's not going to make things easier, but it's not going to make things much harder either, I don't think. Let's see what we have here. One. Oh, felt like a couple of clicks on 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop. 4. Ooh, a couple clicks on 4. That makes me think maybe this is serrated outers. Another couple clicks on 1. There's something on 2. Something on 3. 4. 2. 1. 2. 3. Oh, there's a good one on 3. And ooh, gotta get another 5. Ooh, all right. Now it looks like we might have to face those inners. Let's click on 1 inner. 2 might already be set. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's relax it a little bit. Ah, there was 5. And we have that open. Okay. And I sized this Allen wrench, and it's about a 3mm, roughly. Wrong way. Let me get out a gutting station here. And be very careful when taking this out, because I think a lot of this stuff is just sort of secured by this body here. Okay, that seems wiggly, and I see a spring down here, so we're going to watch out for that. Okay, carefully. Nothing else is exploding. Okay, move that up here. Oh, okay. I've got this spring that holds that sort of dust cover. Alright, let's put that over here. Put the dust cover right here. Let's see what's on this other side. Okay. That's nice springling. And okay, these drive what holds onto this, and it's spring loaded in a sense, but this little notch grabs onto the actuator back here, so I don't think it's shimmable. I can't move this while it's in the lock position. I'm gonna set this here and this here, and that's got a little notch that holds onto that part there. So we're gonna set those right here, so I remember how that goes together. Okay, so that comes out. but I'm starting to think this is like that Mul-T-Lock style that I had a super hard time getting back together once. Yup. So this whole Bible just comes right back off. That's not held on. And it's not too bad to get it apart because it just kind of explodes apart, but it is a nightmare to get back together. So let's see if we can... Okay, yup. Those are serrated. I don't know how well you can see that. Not too close. But those are 5 serrated outers, and I'm going to presume there's nothing special about the inners. You can see that there are in fact inners in there. So we're going to be real careful and just put that right back where we found it. Okay. The key. Okay. It spins both ways like this, but when it's all together, I think it only turns one way. So let's put that back down. Let's just put that back together while we're at it, because I got you here and we didn't gut it all the way, so we saved some time. Okay. All right. Got that back together. And let's put that dust cover on. Went like this. That doesn't match up perfectly, but that's all right, I guess. Saved some manufacturing cost by not giving a darn. All right. Let's line that up. So that looks like that's about right. Very carefully. Easy. Oh boy. Set. Can't be upset. Okay, they got 2 holes there, but they go all the way through. Okay. Yeah, all right. I think we're in good shape. Now we line that up. Screw that back in. Probably not too tight. No need, and that is not gonna. So if you took that out, you wouldn't get anywhere because you have to have this out to get it out. All right. So yeah, it only turns the one way, turns that way. All right, so that's back together. All right, good news, everyone. So anyway, that is the Mul-T-Lock. That's got some spooled outers, 5, not spooled. It's got 5 serrated outer pins, 5 what just felt like plain old inner pins. What some people might consider to be a high security lock, but the tolerances and pickability are a little easier on this than say the Mul-T-Lock it tried to copy. But anyway, yeah, there it is.